Bulan, didiskarte. Tumira. Wala. Number 4, Black. Basket is good. Pendon for 2. Steal by number 35. Maximo attacks. 2 points. Na naman. Maximo, 2 points. Number 32. Number 17 for 3. Bang! Number 7. Number 58 for 3. Bang! Pilio to Manlutak. Natapikan. Manlutak for 2. Basket is good para kay Manlutak. Pilio. Kulas. Manlutak. Wide open layup. 2 points. Manlutak attacks. Whoa! Great plays by Manlutak. Pendon attacks. What a movement by Pendon. 2 points. Whoa!